Hey YouTube, this is my first recording of my survival series. Let's just open up my... Okay. Just gonna not even put it in seed. But I hope that there's not a nice land generating name. Just do survival. Nothing too fancy. Okay. I just hope that it does not like spawn ice all over the place. That's just gonna ruin it. If you know what I mean. For some reason my Minecraft is really slow all the time. And I just restored it. I don't get why this takes such a long time on my iPod. It's just weird. It sucks to have an iPod 4. Can't update to iOS 7 or anything. Hurry up and build the terrain. Okay. Saving chunks. Okay, finally. I don't know why this is like this. Okay. It's just... First thing we do is just find some wood. I don't like to build my house at the edge of the world. Then it's just gonna ruin basically everything. Let's grab this wood. Okay. Just so it gets more exciting, I'm going to put the difficulty on full. Okay. Let's craft some wooden planks, some sticks, crafting table. Okay, where should my house be? Right here. And let's craft some... Let's just get a wooden axe. Keep mining till it wears out. Okay. This is the biggest tree I've seen in Pocket Edition so far. Just look how big it is. Just keep mining this out. Okay. Let's go to a different tree. Get this apple. I don't know what I should do next. I'm probably going to do a Let's Build series. If you guys think I'm quiet, then that's just weird, because if you have ever seen me at school, I'm probably like the loudest person there. No offense to myself. Just keep mining wood until this axe wears out. Let's go to this tree, mine it. might be enough. Armor. Craft. Some wooden planks. Okay. Try to get the biggest thing that I can out of all this wood. It's probably not going to be big of a house, but if I could live in it, that's good enough. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. God, why am I so stupid? I keep on putting these things to places that it doesn't need to be. This is a very, very awkward moment. Okay. I should put my bed here. I should put a double chest here and just mine here. I still have a lot of free space. If the house looks little, you should really figure out how big a block is. Then it would be pretty big too. Hey, go away. Get away. Go. I want a tree. Go away. Keep away from that tree. Go. Dumbass. Just gonna keep mining this wood all day long. Why am I still mining wood? Okay, I'm just gonna go build my house. Just get the house over with. Then we can start mining. Whole point of the game. I'll just make a 3-block high house. It's good enough. Okay. Okay. Like that. No, I still need that. Okay. Just put all this wood down. And now jump. Just place this wood down all day. It's not wasting my time. It's not like I have a life. Okay. Let's just put these in for some wooden slabs for the roof. Okay. I don't like to put full blocks down for the roof. It just makes it too dark. The sun is almost setting. It's about to get night. Okay, let's just make a place for the door. Oh God, it's nighttime. Let's just keep it on low difficulty for one night.